I'm Sophie Springer. I'm Austrian. I came myself more than 30 years ago here to Florence to study fashion design. I'm teaching draping, pattern making, garment construction and construction techniques. In Garment Construction 1, we start really from the beginnings. That means we start with the patterns, the basic skirts, and then we make different variations. We bring it on muslin, cutting it out, starting to pin and to sew it also. And then we move on to the top part to make the bodice with sleeves, collar, and in the end we make a fashion collection and a small collection for the fashion show. And this is really interesting, and you make it a whole outfit. That means you make the patterns or the draping for the top or dress and the skirt, and then you show it in the fashion show. We start from the beginning. Then if you know already to sew, it helps you, yes, but you could also start from zero. But we have then also Garment Construction 2. This is the second level. That means you have done already the Garment Construction 1, and that means you have basic knowledge of sewing, of pattern making, perhaps you have draped already something, and you make a second level like jackets, more suits, and also the construction technique is a little bit higher. In draping, you go directly on the dress form and you drape and start to create the garments on the dress form, and create also, for instance, with the basic skirt, the basic bodice, we start to make sleeves and the collar. Then in draping 2, we go a little bit higher levels. That means we go perhaps on jackets, in corsets, but you create everything directly on the dress form. For draping 1, not, because you are starting from the beginning. But for draping 2, you should have done the draping, the basic draping, like the bodice, the skirts. It's really small. That means you have personal contact with all the teachers in the group. It's like a family, and this is really nice. Yes? That means you're not a number, but you are part of a family. The facilities are really nice. You have a nice room with all the dress forms, for the sewing machines. We're making also a fashion show, which is quite a high level for the beginnings. Therefore, they are offering you quite a lot of opportunities. To be together with young people, young interested people, with creative people, getting new ideas, exchanging. I really like to work with them, to give also what I learned, to pass it on. Then you get also new ideas and new ways of thinking from them. It's a really nice exchange, different cultures. I think this is really, really interesting. I like really Italian music, like Mina also. Then I like also classic music, for instance, like Mozart, Brahms.